Hello everyone. Are you finding a budget-friendly 2 BHK rental flat in Mahadevapura Bangalore? Stop scrolling. This could be your perfect home. Stay with me as I take you on an exclusive home tour of this beautiful flat. Come, let's go. This is your beautiful city view in your bedroom windows. Overall flat you have great ventilation. It's just designed for comfort and modern living with a large windows for natural lights and refreshing atmosphere. This home comes with 2 well-ventilation bedrooms, offering big space, built-in wardrobes and 2 well-maintained attached bathrooms with modern fittings, geysers, and cleanly design. This apartment offering the top-notch ambiances like 24/7 power backup, 24/7 water supply, 24/7 security available, 24/7 lift available, 24/7 parking facility, plus you have private balcony offering a beautiful city view, just perfect for your morning coffee and evening relaxation. Just look at the view and natural light. Nearby locations: BAGAMANE Tech Park, VR Mall, PHONIX Mall, Metro Station, Railway Station, more hypermarket, schools and colleges. Overall flat you have great ventilation. It's a ready-to-move flat, available for both family and bachelors. Just look, it's a view. This is just perfect for families, so don't miss it. And this is your utility space for fitting your washing machine. Then, this is your modular kitchen with big storage space. A sleek countertop and high-quality fitting makes cooking an absolute pleasure. And this is your beautiful and spacious living room with elegant interiors. Now, let's take about the most important part. Pricing. This beautiful 2 BHK rental flat is available for rent at just $36,000 plus $2,500 per month with a deposit of 1.5 lakhs. If anyone interested in this flat, just contact this number or WhatsApp this number. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. And don't forget to subscribe to J Rental Property for more rental updates in Bangalore. Thanks for watching our videos. See you again next video. Bye.